In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item on Shein. If you've received an order that doesn't work for you, the good news is that the return process is pretty simple once you know where to go. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can complete your return without confusion and make sure everything is submitted correctly. To begin, open the Shein app or go to the Shein website and sign in to your account. From there, head to the Me section, then open My Orders and select Returns. This is where you'll find the orders that are eligible for return. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct order, especially if you've placed multiple purchases recently. Once you've opened the order, look through the list of items and check the specific products you want to return. Be careful to select only the items you're actually sending back, since the return request needs to match what will be inside the package. It's a good idea to double check sizes, colors, or item names here so you don't accidentally choose the wrong product. After selecting the items, you'll be asked to choose a return reason. Pick the option that best matches why you're returning the item. This helps the system process your request properly. Next, choose your refund method. You'll typically see options like Shein Wallet or the original payment account. If you want faster access to your refunded balance for future purchases, the wallet option may be useful. If you'd rather have the money returned to the payment method you used when placing the order, select the original payment account. You'll also need to choose a return shipping method. Read the available options carefully so you understand how the return will be sent and whether there are any instructions specific to that carrier. Once that's done, the platform will provide your return label. Now print the return label and securely attach it to your package. Make sure the label is clearly visible and firmly fixed so it doesn't come off during transit. It's also helpful to package the items neatly and make sure everything you selected for return is inside before sealing the parcel. Finally, drop off the package at the designated carrier location shown in the return instructions. Be sure to use the correct drop-off point for the shipping method you selected. If possible, keep your drop-off receipt or confirmation until the return has been fully processed, and that's it. Your return is now on its way.